Puta. You record? Alright, what's up guys? We are back with another video. The daily grind. What is that? 3 videos? 4 videos back to back? 3 3 videos back to back. That's a record for us. He was thinking of taking today off, but I know if I take today off, I'm gonna want to take tomorrow off, and so on and so on. But anyways, today's video should be a little quick one. We're gonna be working on the headlight. We don't like the chrome look. All these cars come with the same headlights with this chrome look. I don't like it. He doesn't like it. I don't know who does like it. So we're gonna go ahead and tint them out, but they are rough. I don't know if they were tinted before or whatnot, but they're super rough. So we're gonna sand them down, clean them, make them bright. We are gonna change the bulbs on it. We're gonna put some 8000. They're not called HIDs anymore. I think they're just regular LEDs. They come with the little HIDs. Before, back in the day, they used to be called HIDs, which was the whole ballast system and everything. It was more complicated. Now they're just LEDs. So yeah, not a lot of talking today. We're gonna get right into polishing the headlights. Pretty basic. We're gonna sand them down, starting with 500 grit, 800 grit, and then finishing off with, I believe, 3000 grit, and then polish at the end, and ready to wrap everything. All right, we're about to start. We just gotta make sure it's extra lubricated, just regular water. That way we don't burn the headlights. So yeah, what are you gonna do? Cinematics? Fast forward?
Cinematics.
Cinematics. All right, just a little quick cinematics right here. Now you gotta clean the lens. All right, we finished the headlights, cut and polish. Ready to install the, we already have the tint right here too. So yeah. All right, tint is down on the headlight. Now we just gotta squeeze it out. Squeeze it. I don't even know if that's a word. Squeeze it out. And I know it's a little bit different than wrapping a car, which I did wrap. What is it? Like, what was that? We have wrapped a couple cars already, but so far it feels the same. No, it's a little bit different, but we're gonna treat it like if we're wrapping a car. So screw it. So yeah, I don't want to keep talking, so we'll just hit a cinematic or something right now. Fast forward. It doesn't create as much heat as a heat gun, but I mean, we were able to mold it. All right, we have now started the second one. The first one's done. We'll show you guys afterwards though. So we'll do this one quick, and then you guys are gonna see right now. All right, so we have finished the install. Both headlights are now blacked out, and it looks 10 times better. We like it. The bulbs never got here. They're probably gonna get here later on, but that's a quick little install. It's just a couple bolts on top and then one at the bottom, and then we got it. So eventually we'll show you guys the what is it called? The overall look of it. As far as right now, this video is done. Like I said, just a quick little install on that. Tomorrow we have another quick install. Well, you guys are gonna see tomorrow, so we'll do it tomorrow. So by this Friday coming up, hopefully we have a chance to clean it up, detail it, and then we'll reveal. I fucked up. And then we'll reveal the new vehicle to the channel. Hopefully you guys like it. We like it. It's very fun, enjoyable. So yeah, just stay tuned. Like, subscribe, comment down below too. Let us know what we're doing wrong, what you guys like, what you guys want to see. A lot of content coming your way. So yeah.